As you can see, just doing a little bit of cleaning up and tidying up. It's like 4:30 right now. I never film this late in the day, so it feels very weird. It's also just like very dark and cloudy and gloomy and rainy outside, which is just standard, well, almost November weather. But anyways, what I hopped on here to say is I wanted to show you guys. So if you know, I make sourdough, and for a little bit there I was trying to look for some sort of like a cake plate to put my sourdough in. I did like a vintage antique shop with me video because I really wanted to find one from the antique store, but I couldn't find one, and I make sourdough a lot, and I was honestly just getting sick of like keeping it out on the cutting board and then having it get like hard and like stale very quickly. I also have these like plastic bread bags that work kind of well, but not super well. I mostly have those just for when I like gift my loaves to people. So I saw this on, I think, Instagram, that somebody said that they just put their sourdough in a cake platter. And so anyways, I found this one from Target. I think it was like $13, and it looks so much better. Just like having this sitting out on the counter. I don't know, it looks so cute. It looks so much better. So just wanted to show you guys a little update there. And then we have our Halloween candy out because today is like the I want to say it's like the 28th, I think, of October, which is just crazy to me that it's almost, well, it's basically November. I don't know, this year has just gone by like so incredibly fast, and I've been so busy, and just some life changes, things have been happening. So that's why I haven't obviously been posting a whole bunch or like on my normal schedule. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it'll get a little bit better, but yeah, just cleaning up. I got to go upstairs and put some clothes away. I made a couple of I guess like changes, rearranges to our bedroom, so I will show that to you as well. It's officially November. It's actually, now it's November 3rd, so cheers to November. We have been busy. So busy, and it's Monday morning and I have to start work soon, but I wanted to just come on and catch up a little bit on the vlog, and I'll be doing some cleaning today and just kind of getting the house back in order because we have been out of town. We had to travel down to Arkansas the last few days for a funeral. So that was just a very, it's like 8.5, 9 hours away, which obviously takes longer with kiddos. And we just got back last night and it was daylight savings this weekend, so it's just been very busy. We weren't around for Halloween because we were out of town, so I just need to get the house straightened up, back in order. I need to update our calendar from October to November. I need to throw away our pumpkins that we carved. Just need to get kind of everything back in November order. So I apologize that I have been a little MIA lately. We've just been going through a lot. There's just been some things happening, and like I said, there was a funeral, and yeah, just a lot has been happening where I haven't really been able to pick up the camera and film and vlog and all of that stuff, plus on top of my, you know, job and everything. So, but yeah, I just wanted to catch up, and I got my nails done last week because I, like I said, we had to go out of town for a funeral. But fun story, when I was at the nail salon, I was sitting there, you know, getting my nails done, and shortly after I sat down, this other woman came and sat down right next to me, and she started getting her nails done. And long story short, we got to chatting. Turns out we have like a bunch of things in common, which was really cool. And we ended up getting each other's phone numbers, and yeah, and we're planning on, you know, hanging out soon, and she has a couple of kids. So it was really nice, and just like a fun kind of way to make a friend at the nail salon. I feel like when we are adults, it's way harder to make friends or even have the time to make friends, to meet new people. And so, yeah, I don't know. It was just like it was really nice that me and this girl got to chatting, and we just like, yeah, hit it off. I feel like me and this girl were like meant to meet and meant to be friends. So that was really cool. I just wanted to share that, you know, just strike up a conversation with anybody, because you just never know where it could, you know, possibly lead. And I have to do a better job of that myself, because I am like very, very introverted, which I think is why, like, maybe you wouldn't think that because I do vlog and obviously I put videos out on the internet, but I am very introverted, and I don't strike up conversations with random people ever at all, like out in the real world. And so, but yeah, I just like, this girl had said something and I really wanted to know. She said she was going on vacation, and I love going on vacation, and I really wanted to know where she was going, and then the conversation just kind of went from there. So it was really cool, like I said, and you know, now I've got a new friend. So so yeah, so just a little reminder, you know, just strike up a conversation with somebody, even if it doesn't go anywhere. I think that the connection aspect is really important, you know, now more than ever, that we, you know, we as humans, we as women especially, do that. So cheers to new friends. Anyways, I just started a load of laundry, so I'm doing laundry right now. I need to order groceries because, like I said, we haven't been here, so we have no food. It's gonna be a busy day. It's 7:30 right now, and I need to log into work, and my day is like full of meetings. So great. And then my oldest gets out at 3:30, and then she's in gymnastics, and she just advanced a level in gymnastics, which is amazing. And so because of that, her new class is 2 hours long, and so that's this evening from 4:30 to 6:30. And typically I wouldn't take my youngest with us because she goes to bed between 6:30 and 7. But tonight my husband has he has some training that he has to do for work, and so he won't be home until probably like 7 or 8. So I have to take the youngest with us to gymnastics. And so we're gonna have to like leave and go get dinner and then just eat there. It's gonna be a whole thing. So we will see how it goes. It's just a very busy season of my life. So I need to order groceries, and then I'm gonna kind of get this place a little bit cleaned up. So cheers to that. To show you guys, I actually moved our huge mirror to this corner of our bedroom. So before, if you remember, it was here along this wall. I had this huge mirror right here. Then there's our bathroom, closet, and these are the clothes that I need to put away that I am procrastinating on. But yes, so we have this huge mirror right here, and I've been actually wanting to move it over here to this corner now for a while, now that we've kind of rearranged some things in our house. But I like it a lot over here because now when I take pictures of like my outfits, the lighting is like a lot better, insanely better actually. Because the window, our huge windows are over here versus back behind me. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that because a little bit of an update. Yeah, I think it just looks a lot better over there. But then over here, and now I'm like, this wall is totally like blank and empty, and I need to do some touch-ups. There's like a screw right there in the wall. I just need to get that out, do a couple touch-ups with our paint. But I'm like, now this wall is blank and empty. Should I do pictures? Should I do some artwork? I think I would like to do some like, maybe like a, kind of like a gallery wall, maybe with like 4 bigger picture frames, and do some like black and white photos of the girls or some family pictures, which is also kind of a nice opportunity to get some updated family pictures, and then do maybe some like nice light wood frames, and then do like a little bit of a gallery wall right there. Because yeah, it's just blank and empty and it needs something, so super exciting. Anyways, I need to go ahead and put these dang clothes away. putting clothes away is easily, sorry, it's so bright right here. Putting clothes away is easily my most hated task. I just literally can't stand it. I don't